future police workforce look?
Future of law enforcement lies in technology.
It is a perfect amalgamation of technology with human effort.
We are very good in responding. Preparing for the future is something completely different.
For a country like India, which is overpopulated, law enforcement are understaffed, overworked, technology becomes a boon.
It's not only being innovative, it's also constantly apply the innovation to your daily practices.
A lot of movement in terms of bonded labor, child trafficking for prostitution, child trafficking for organ trade. It also moves around in Bangalore.
वो कौन लड़का है? किसके साथ आया है?
सर यहाँ पे एक बच्चा मिला है।
ओके मैडम, जस्ट टाइम
ನಿಂದ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ?
बेटा क्या नाम है आपका? हैं?
भरत।
भरत, आप कहाँ से आए हो? मम्मी पापा कहाँ हैं? मम्मी पापा कहाँ हैं बेटा?
कन्नड़ है, हिंदी है?
आपका घर कहाँ है? अभी देखो एक बहुत छोटा बच्चा।
For young children, it became very difficult for us to trace their whereabouts. A lot of times, children don't know the name of their parents, or they don't know the name of the village or district that they are coming from, and they are very naive and innocent.
The dramatic change which is very much taking place now in law enforcement is the fact, and it sounds very simple, it's the telephone. Most individual police officer, more and more here in Asia, but also in other parts of the world, are equipped with a mobile phone, a phone with apps, a phone which provides them with techniques to immediately identify a suspect, to make photos, to immediately report. So they will be much more effective because they can work straight from their phone. That, and it sounds so simple, is one of the biggest changes in the last 5 years in law enforcement.
So in face tag, we already taken the snap of this child. Yeah, 77% is matching, but little bit features are same, lightly same. But we are confirming while asking him only, because he know very well where that photo has taken. He know very well.
Like in the case of the Guwahati child, face tagger gave a 76% or 78% match for the child. We look immediately at the missing report, where the missing report has been registered, and we immediately contact the parents.
See, technology is an enabler. So I always believe that technology can actually, by itself, can't solve a problem. But combined with the human intelligence, it can actually do wonders. So when someone is actually identified quickly, reunited with their families, then the whole ROI of human trafficking is broken. When that is broken, it's not a business anymore, right? So that's what we want to do.